A man went to the doctor, complaining that his wife could barely hear. The doctor suggested a test to find out the extent of the problem. The doctor advised him, stand far behind her and ask her a question. See how far away you are when she first responds. The man was excited to finally be working on a solution for the problem, so he ran home and seized his wife preparing supper. So he stood 20 feet away and asked, "Honey, what's for supper?" After receiving no response, he tried it again 15 feet away, and again no response. Then again at 10 feet away, and again no response. Finally, he was 5 feet away. "Honey, what's for supper?" His wife replied, "For the 4th time, it's lasagna."